Hi everyone, welcome back to OC Aviary today, where we're going to be taking a look at the behind the scenes of running a bird exhibition. So we're at the Trent Valley Budgerigar Society show. It's the Young Stock show, first one of the year. There's loads of budgerigars in, as you can imagine. So we're going to have a look at the judging of the birds, the whole running of the show for the stewards, and then we'll take a look around the show hall as well.
What do you make the clustering of?
So we're here with Sam Wild. You might recognise him from the Sam One Bird Products video we did a couple of months ago. So Sam, you run this show. This is the Trent Valley Budgerigar Society show that you run. Your thoughts on the exhibition today?
Pleased with the numbers. We've had just under 100 birds here, which for a young stock show is good. And it's nice to see everybody, because the show's a real good social day, as well as a bit of competition between each other. So.
Yeah, oh, fantastic. So obviously this is it's one of the earliest shows in the show season, right?
Yeah. So for us, this is our first show of the year, our club. We do actually normally have it at the start of June, but because of different things, we've moved it to the end of June this year. So yeah. I do think maybe one or two people are missing, because now the big open shows have started now. So.
Right. Yeah, mate, that's fair enough completely.
Yeah.
to me, outside looking in, filming a bit of a behind the scenes footage for you, what was your thoughts on how the show went today, logistically wise?
Yeah, nice and easy. Hopefully this show isn't as stressful as some of the bigger shows. Less classes to some degree. Also, cocks and hens are together in most classes, whereas at the big shows they are separated. So it's gone smoothly. The judges done everything he needed to do, and we've had a good team of people helping out. So yeah, it's gone
that's
well.
excellent, because I've noticed you've got a good number of stewards. Obviously, it's been a busy morning. So probably 3 hours in judging, 2.5, 3 hours.
It takes a while to get through them all, and then at this one we have like a best overall and best of each type, best bar and best young stock.
And that's just the effort that you see happening here on the day. Never mind the organisation, getting the preparation. You've got to get the labels, the rosettes, and everything like that.
Well, setting the staging up as well. It doesn't just appear. That has to get to the show. We have to put it up and stuff.
Exactly. Yeah, and it's an early morning taking entries as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah. Well, Sam, thanks for inviting me, mate. Really appreciate it. Nothing much. Yeah, thank So everyone, we are back home from the Trent Valley Budgerigar Society show. And can I just say what an excellent little show it was. They made me feel really welcome. I really enjoyed the day, looking at all the different things, talking to people and experiencing that behind the scenes part that you don't normally see at these exhibitions. It's a big part of aviculture, the exhibition sides, and it's something I think we could all help and do our part in supporting in some way or another. So I am actually a secretary of a specialist show, the Lancashire British Bird and Hybrid Show. I do a lot of the running and prep before the show, and it is hard work, and I think even like we've seen today, loads of volunteers, and that's what it's all about, is being together, having that social aspect, and supporting these shows as well, whether it be your local CBS or your local specialist society, or it doesn't have to be a local one. It really does make a difference, and they're often crying out for volunteers. So if you are able to, I highly recommend that you offer your services in some way, in some form, just to help them, to help support them moving forward. And it is quite an enjoyable experience, and it is a very educational experience as well, particularly if it's your type of birds that are being judged there. You can understand certain things as well. So anyway, everyone, if you have enjoyed it today, please make sure to smash a like on this video, subscribe down below, and follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and make sure to follow the second channel as well, OC Aviary Shorts. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.